We wrote the song with one of your own, our brothers here from Hawaii, The Green. Make some noise for The Green.
That's right. We're gonna need some help from you guys out there right now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me loud and clear out there? Well, we're gonna need some help from you guys right now. I'm gonna sing something. Also, I'm gonna need some help from the band. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna say, and then Rio is gonna go around and explain what you do. So I'm gonna sing something like this. See, I'll be on my way, and you sing.
Can you do it?
You got that right? Let's try that again. See, I'll be on my way. Oh yeah, you're getting it. One more time. See, I'll be on my way. Oh, beautiful. I reckon we'll go to song note. Is that up? Oh yeah, one. All right, if you know the song, I want you to sing along. Help me. See, I'll be on my way. I just gotta make my big escape. I don't wanna wait. Checking on my watch like boys, it's late. I told her I could stay. Now I'm taking shots to make them happy. Baby girl, you had me on my way. I'll be on my beautiful father. Strolling into the party. Feeling good and feeling great. I got the boys rolling with me. So I got those shots to get the place up. Yeah, I get a little buzzy, throwing back like nothing. No one's gonna get in our way. Until I check my phone and realize you'll be calling, begging me to make my way to you. I'll be on my way. I just gotta make my big escape. I don't wanna wait. Taking on my wife like boys this late. I told her I can't stay. Now I'm taking shots to make them happy. But baby girl, you had me on my way. Yeah, I'll be on my. Tried to tell you I'm sorry. Damn, it should have seen their face. They won't keep their eyes off of me. Girl, I can't get away. You be teasing me with messages, but what you won't know, believe me, you'll be there to me. I'll finally come through. And give you all my love, and baby girl, I'm coming. I just wanna take my day to you. One more time. I'll be on my way. I just gotta make my big escape. I don't wanna wait. Taking on my watch like boys it's late. I'm sorry I can't stay. Now I'm taking shots to make them happy. Baby girl, you had me on my way. I'll be on my. One more time, Maui. See, I'll be on my way. I just gotta make my big escape. I don't wanna wait. Taking on my watch like boys it's late. Told her I could stay. Now I'm taking shots to make them happy. But baby girl, you had me on my way. Yeah, I'll be on my. Shout out to Noah. Major.
All right, Mo.
You know, my man.
What I'd like to do one time, Maui, I'd like to introduce you to the band. All the way from Taranaki, Aotearoa, New Zealand, on the microphone and the guitar. Make some noise for my brother. beautiful. Play something for me, kid. All the way from the South Island of New Zealand on the guitar tonight. Can you please make some noise for my brother Mr. David Suki? All the way from the far north of Aotearoa. On the vocals and the keyboard, please make some noise for my brother Mr. Playground Maui. And all the way from the beautiful islands of Samoa. On the drum kit tonight, can you make some noise for my uso, Mr. Willie Fabito. We go by the name of Sons of Zion. It's been such an awesome night with you tonight, Maui. Hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did here. We got a little bit more reggae music for you. You want some more reggae music, Maui? Alright, let's have one more last blast of this. 6 man. 1, 2, 3,
then I open my eyes up, the beautiful smile. Don't give up anymore. And the party's on. So girl, I'm so glad that it's over. Nice to have known you. But I got to know, 'cause the party's on and your life is golden. So girl, I'm so glad that it's over. Nice to have known you.
beautiful Maui, say it.
You want me, babe. I said you want me, babe.
Maui, say it. Come on, say it.
To see me doing good. You brought it on yourself, can't blame nobody else for nothing. Nothing. Because the love is gone and faded. I bet you wish that you had waited. Don't get the picture you debated. It ain't no more late, baby. See, you're not gonna learn and been show for a while. I pick myself up off the floor. Then I open my eyes up in beautiful smiles. Don't give up anymore.
It's gonna be real, say it.
And the party's on. So girl, I'm so glad that it's over.
Yes, sir.
Nice to have known you. But I got to go, 'cause the party's on and your life is golden. So girl, I'm so glad that it's over. Nice to have known you. The party's on and my life is going. So girl, I'm so glad that it's over. Nice to have known you.
Come on, say it.
I said you want me, babe. I said you want me, babe.
Beautiful Maui.
I said you want me, babe. I said you want me, babe.
Beautiful Maui. Thank you so much, brothers and sisters. It's been picture, please? If we could one time, can we get a quick picture? Can we get a picture with him, Brother Mikey, can you light these